10 Best Places to Visit in Finland. Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Travel Treasures, the ultimate destination for travel inspiration. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the enchanting land of 1,000 lakes, the picturesque Finland. Join us as we explore the top 10 places that make Finland a truly unique and unforgettable destination. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Helsinki. Helsinki, the vibrant capital of Finland, stands as a captivating blend of modernity and tradition. Nestled along the shores of the Gulf of Finland, this cosmopolitan city invites visitors to explore its rich history and contemporary charm. The iconic Senate Square, dominated by the majestic Helsinki Cathedral with its neoclassical grandeur, is a must-visit landmark. Wander through the bustling streets and discover a cityscape adorned with modern architecture, cutting-edge design, and a thriving cultural scene. Helsinki's waterfront offers a picturesque setting, while the old market hall entices with a delightful array of Finnish delicacies. As the cultural and economic hub of Finland, Helsinki seamlessly combines its Nordic roots with a dynamic urban energy, making it an essential stop for those seeking a perfect balance between tradition and modernity. Number 2. Rovaniemi. Rovaniemi, located on the Arctic Circle, is a magical destination that embodies the enchanting spirit of the far north. Widely recognized as the official hometown of Santa Claus, Rovaniemi offers visitors a unique opportunity to experience the wonder of Christmas year-round at Santa Claus Village. The Arctic landscape surrounding the city provides an awe-inspiring backdrop, especially during the winter months when the northern lights dance across the polar sky. Adventurous souls can partake in thrilling activities such as husky sledding, reindeer safaris, and snowmobiling through the pristine snowy wilderness. Rovaniemi is not only a gateway to the Arctic wonders but also a cultural hub with attractions like the Arcticum Science Museum, providing insights into the Arctic region's history, nature, and culture. The spirit of the Arctic and the warmth of Finnish hospitality converge in Rovaniemi, creating an unforgettable experience for those seeking a blend of winter magic and cultural exploration. Number 3. Turku. Turku, the oldest city in Finland, unfolds as a captivating destination steeped in history and adorned with charming landscapes. Situated along the southwest coast, this picturesque city boasts a rich blend of medieval and modern elements. The Turku Castle, a centuries-old fortress overlooking the Ora River, stands as a testament to Turku's historical significance. Wandering through the cobblestone streets of the old town, visitors encounter colorful wooden houses, inviting cafes, and artisan boutiques that exude a timeless charm. The Ora River, flowing through the heart of Turku, adds to the city's allure, offering scenic promenades and boat cruises. The Turku archipelago, with its countless islands, extends an invitation to explore the serene and unspoiled natural beauty of the region. As a hub for cultural events and festivals, Turku pulsates with life, making it a destination where history, architecture, and modernity converge to create a truly immersive experience for all who visit. Number 4. Rama. Rama, located on the west coast of Finland, is a town celebrated for its exceptionally well-preserved old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The old Rama, with its cobblestone streets and colorful wooden houses, offers a glimpse into Finland's history and maritime heritage. Strolling through the narrow streets, visitors will encounter charming boutiques, cafes, and artisan workshops. The crown jewel of Old Rama is the Holy Cross Church, dating back to the 16th century, which stands as a symbol of medieval architecture. The Marilla Museum, a beautifully preserved 18th century merchant's house, provides further insights into the town's rich past. Rama's maritime traditions come to life at the Rama Maritime Museum, where exhibits showcase the town's seafaring history and the significance of maritime trade. The bustling Rama Market Square is another highlight, where locals gather to sell fresh produce and handicrafts. Beyond the historical charm, Rama is situated on the archipelago sea, offering opportunities for boat trips to explore the nearby islands and coastal beauty. Rama encapsulates the perfect blend of cultural heritage and coastal allure, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a unique and authentic Finnish experience. Number 5. Porvoo. Porvoo, a town of timeless beauty, unfolds along the southern coast of Finland, offering a captivating blend of history, culture, and picturesque charm. The heart of Porvoo lies in its old town, a delightful maze of cobblestone streets flanked by vibrant, iconic red wooden houses dating back to the 18th century. The iconic Porvoo Cathedral, with its distinctive red exterior, stands as a symbol of the town's rich cultural heritage and is a must-visit landmark. The banks of the Porvoo River add to the town's enchantment, offering scenic views and a tranquil atmosphere. During the summer, the riverbanks come alive with outdoor markets and events, creating a lively and inviting atmosphere. Porvoo's commitment to preserving its historical character, coupled with a vibrant art scene, makes it a destination where the past and present harmoniously coexist. Whether exploring the charming streets, savoring local delicacies in one of the riverside cafes, or immersing oneself in the town's cultural offerings, Porvoo unfolds as a timeless gem, inviting visitors to step back in time and experience the enduring beauty of Finnish history and architecture. Number 6. Alland Islands. The Alland Islands, an archipelago situated between Finland and Sweden, present a unique and idyllic destination that seamlessly combines maritime beauty with a rich cultural tapestry. Comprising over 6,000 islands, the Alland archipelago is a haven for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a peaceful escape. The islands boast picturesque landscapes featuring rocky shores, dense forests, and serene meadows. Navigating through the archipelago is a pleasure, with ferries and boats connecting the islands, providing an opportunity for delightful island hopping experiences. The tranquility of the Alland Islands is complemented by charming villages that dot the landscape, each with its own distinct character and historical significance. Cultural attractions, such as maritime museums and historic sites, offer insights into the archipelago's seafaring heritage. Åland is also known for its unique autonomous status, with a demilitarized and neutral status, making it a demilitarized and neutral zone, adding an interesting geopolitical aspect to its charm. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the islands through hiking and cycling trails, discovering hidden gems and breathtaking viewpoints. The Alland Islands are not just a destination, they are an immersive experience where the beauty of nature, maritime history, and a laid-back island atmosphere converge to create a truly unforgettable getaway. Number 7. Tampere. Tampere, often referred to as the Manchester of Finland, is a dynamic city that harmoniously blends industrial heritage with modern cultural vibrancy. Nestled between two large lakes, Näsijärvi and Pyhäjärvi, Tampere boasts a scenic setting that contributes to its unique charm. At the heart of the city, you'll find the Tammerkoski Rapids, which played a pivotal role in the city's industrial history. Tampere's industrial heritage is well preserved in places like the Vapriaki Museum Center, showcasing artifacts that narrate the story of the city's evolution. However, Tampere is not just about its industrial past, it's also a thriving cultural hub. The city's lively atmosphere extends to the Oulu Market Square, where locals and visitors gather to explore the diverse offerings of fresh produce, local crafts, and delicious treats. Tampere's commitment to sustainability is evident in its green spaces, parks, and efforts to promote eco-friendly initiatives. Whether you're delving into Tampere's rich industrial history, immersing yourself in artistic and cultural pursuits, or simply enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds the city, Tampere invites you to experience its unique blend of past and present. Number 8. Koli National Park. Koli National Park, situated in eastern Finland, stands as a testament to the country's breathtaking natural beauty. This national treasure is characterized by its undulating landscapes, dense forests, and the iconic peaks of Koli Hills, particularly Ukko-Koli, offering panoramic views of the vast Lake Päälinen. Hiking enthusiasts will find a network of well-marked trails that wind through the park, allowing for exploration of its diverse ecosystems and captivating scenery. During winter, the park transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting cross-country skiers and snowshoe enthusiasts to explore its snow-covered trails. One of the park's highlights is the mesmerizing pylon and lake, where visitors can embark on boat trips to fully appreciate the pristine wilderness surrounding the water. The changing seasons further add to Koli's allure, with vibrant autumn foliage painting the landscape in warm hues and creating a breathtaking spectacle. Whether you're drawn to outdoor adventures, breathtaking vistas, or a serene retreat into nature, Koli National Park offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of Finland's natural splendor. It's a destination where the harmony between untamed wilderness and human appreciation converges to create an unforgettable journey through the heart of Finnish landscapes. Number 9. Savonlinna. Savonlinna, a charming town nestled in the heart of the Finnish lakeland, is a destination that seamlessly combines history, culture, and natural beauty. Dominated by the striking Alland Castle, this town is renowned for hosting the annual Savonlinna Opera Festival, attracting music enthusiasts from around the world. The Alland Castle, perched on an island, serves as a symbol of medieval architecture and is a fascinating testament to Finland's history. Visitors can explore its sturdy stone walls, towers, and dungeons while enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding Lake Saimaa. The town's picturesque setting on the shores of Lake Saimaa provides a tranquil atmosphere, inviting visitors to indulge in leisurely walks along the waterfront promenades or relaxing boat cruises through the archipelago. In winter, the frozen lake transforms into a vast snowy playground, offering opportunities for ice skating and other winter activities. Beyond the castle and the old town, Savonlinna offers access to the stunning nature of the surrounding lakeland region. The town serves as a gateway to the pristine archipelago and its countless islands, each with its own unique charm. Number 10. Oulu. Oulu, a vibrant city in northern Finland, stands as a testament to the region's unique blend of modernity, innovation, and natural beauty. Situated on the shores of the Gulf of Bothnia, Oulu is known for its lively atmosphere, cultural offerings, and distinct northern character. The Oulu Market Square is a bustling hub, where locals and visitors alike gather to explore the vibrant array of fresh produce, local crafts, and traditional Finnish delicacies. The market square serves as a focal point for community events, showcasing the city's dynamic and welcoming spirit. One of the city's distinctive features is its accessibility to the sea. In the winter, the Gulf of Bothnia freezes, providing a unique opportunity for residents and visitors to partake in the tradition of walking on the frozen sea. This phenomenon, known as Merijala, sea on ice, is a testament to the city's northern charm. Oulu's commitment to technology and innovation is evident in its bustling city center, where modern architecture and cutting-edge design coexist with historical landmarks. The Oulu Museum of Art, along with various galleries and theaters, contributes to the city's vibrant cultural scene. The surrounding nature offers a tranquil escape for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking and biking trails, as well as opportunities for water sports in the nearby rivers and lakes, allow visitors to experience the beauty of the Oulu region firsthand. Whether you're exploring the city's modern developments, engaging in cultural pursuits, or enjoying the natural wonders of the northern landscape, Oulu invites you to embrace the unique character of Finland's northernmost urban center. And there you have it, fellow travelers. The top 10 places to visit in Finland. Whether you're seeking urban excitement, natural wonders, or historical charm, Finland has it all. Which destination caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!